Hello everyone. I choose the current event about COVID-19 recession because I think this event affects everyone and also it's kind of related to the Great Depression. I choose the article tracking the COVID-19 recession's effects on food, housing, and employment hardships, which was published in July 2021. By the Center on Budget and Policy Priorities. And these are the summary of the article. COVID pandemic. An ongoing global pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019 is caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. This caused most of the countries to shut down, which leads to recession effect on food, housing, and employment hardships. And these are the COVID-19 effects. There are high rates of unemployment, which means a lot of people lose their job because of the lockdowns. There are difficulty getting enough food, inability to pay rent or mortgage, difficulty covering household expenses. And these are the national strategy for COVID-19 response. COVID-19 national emergency was declared, or there are a lot of lockdowns, which means the country borders were all closed and including all the businesses. COVID-19 health information, vaccines and testing, American Rescue Plan or the stimulus check, financial assistance for food, housing and bills, COVID-19 small business loans and assistance, and unemployment benefits. Those are the EDD. And the COVID-19 recession and Great Depression also had a lot of similarity. Gross domestic product fell significantly to the point of necessitating widespread business closure. GDP is the total of all value added created in an economy. That's the definition of GDP. And also there's unemployment rate soars up, increased poverty rate, and it has a global impact, and the stock market drop. They also had a lot of differences. The COVID pandemic is the sharpest decline in economy but also the shortest, while the depression persisted and lasted 4 years. Also, the COVID-19 recession was caused by necessary lockdowns, while the Great Depression was caused by the stock market crash. In COVID-19 recession, government pursued fiscal measure. The fiscal measure is like giving out stimulus check to stabilize the economy, while the Great Depression, there's no federal system of direct relief because Hoover didn't want people to keep relying on the government. Like, he tried to get everyone work together and try to help people help themselves. And these are the conclusion. The coronavirus has been a sudden, severe disruption to economic activity and regular social functioning. It's clear with the Great Depression, with the benefit of hindsight, that there was a long lead of factors which lead to eventual and devastating slump. Although the severity of both events are kind of similar when it comes to GDP, unemployment, and increased poverty level, they have different causes and time duration. Also, both events created a global impact.